Hello there, welcome to a Deriv tutorial in which I show you how you can trade crash and boom indices. So here is a Deriv seed trader and I'll show you where you can get it. So after creating an account, where I have a link in the description which will give you 5% off on all the trading fees that you make. So here is the trading hub. Let's say that you have created that account right away using that link, and you can choose between your real and demo. So where you can get the Deriv seed trader is just below here. You can change between real and demo account. After doing that, just click on the open. So let's say that you have clicked on get and then you have set your password. So click on open, and then this does not require a password because you will be using your Deriv logins. So download the app and then install it. After installing it, open it, and this is the dashboard that you will see. So you will not see this indicator. I have just added it, and then we have this side. Just search for crash or boom if you want boom, but I have just searched for crash, and then I have opened one here. So this is an example of a crash, and then what I'll be using to analyze this market is this indicator, which is called simple bulls power. If I want to add it, I just come on this icon, and then we have the simple bulls power, this one. Just use it, just open it, and then you will see all this information. Just don't edit it, it is okay that way. Now if you want to enter in any market, there is something you'll be checking. If we have these two squares, 1 2, so when this reaches near the 2 1, you enter the market while you buy. When it is near reaching the above box here, you just enter selling. So this is the one that you will be using, and then you can see most of the time it is working. You see it is working. So I can just try to find another market, and then I show you how you can place a trade right away. Let me see this one. So this has already returned. Can I find another one? So as you can see, this is too far. So as this market you can see, but this is not near. Okay, it is near the second square. Now what we need to do is just enter selling. As you can see here, we'll enter selling. Now you can edit here your lots. So lots are just the same as the risk you are willing to enter with this market. So I just place it, and then it should be appearing here. So I have sold. If I want to double it, I can just tap here, and then I'll be doubling it. So you will just wait it after some time, and then you will close it right away so that you get out with that profit. And then here we have the history. So the history is just here. If you want to check it, you can just check it right away. So here I can just open it. So this is the history, as you can see here. So you just wait for this trade to make some profit, and then you close using this button. So I can just close it that way, but it was just going the way that we had predicted earlier. So as I said, if you want to create an account, use the link in the description. You'll get 5% off of your trading fees. So make sure you use it, and subscribe and like this video so that you view more. I also have a lot of videos on this channel that can help you to become a better trader. So thanks for watching.